Model, 69-plate Vauxhall VIVARO L1H1 1.5d EU6 Sportive Spares OR Repairs Body, Grey, Panel Van Mileage, 144206 MOT, 15 October 2023 Engine, 1499 cc DV5 RUC Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine is in the back of the van. The engine will need repairing and then refitting to the van. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Very well looked after van. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.